How we met, bro? Damn. Don't walk away when I put the camera on you.
Damn.
Hi YouTube. I don't got my lens on my camera, but we are about to go to the park to chill and get a feel of the good air. We at the gas station right now. We just got some gas. After we go to the park, we're gonna go get some meat, and then we're gonna go find some stuff to go on this trip and stuff.
Yeah, now it's gonna be too cold on my damn mouth. I like room temperature water.
What you just do with my water bottle?
I ain't touch your water bottle.
This is gonna be our first YouTube video on our channel. I'm gonna make our channel when we get back. So this not gonna go on my YouTube video. It's gonna go on our YouTube video. Come on. Lip gloss gone off my lips.
To me, I see everything clear now. 2-4 in the beast. Don't need it. Let's talk with it. 2-seater. Bitch wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. Hop off, I think about bands. Hop off, I just do a check.
Okay, so we are at Tanger Outlet. We're finna go to H&M. That's it. Oh, I want a pretzel. And then we're gonna go get a pretzel.
When I land up, 2-4 in the beast. Don't need it. Let's talk with it. 2-seater. Bitch wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. Hop off, I think about bands. Hop off, I just do a check when I land.
Okay, so we gonna get a black swimsuit. So down. Back up. Shoot. It's raining, but I want a pretzel, so we gonna walk in this rain. Cause I want a pretzel. Come on, let's run. Okay, so we're back in the car.
And I got me soaked.
Yeah. Like, look at my pretzel bag.
Nasty.
No, it's not.
First we got nasty.
Okay, look at the camera. Look at the camera.
I am looking at the camera.
Okay, so we in Chili's right now, and while we wait, we can do how we make videos. But do you want to wait to do while we're in the car? You want to wait till we're in the car?
Two in the car.
It's better lighting. This is our first vlog on our YouTube channel. The YouTube channel not made yet though, but I'm just, our TikTok is made though. I'm gonna stop.
I thought you would kill me to me on God.
No, it's only one left there.
If I do it again, you gave me a damn pass. You want somebody, you get somebody from this. Pour that in there?
No, don't nobody pour out that damn food.
Who? Ain't nobody see that damn. They had the hand in my food.
We finna figure out what TikTok is about this. We don't even have good lighting right here, so we can't even do no good TikTok. I don't think the shade is TikTok I want to do. Please stop. David, stop. Hey, what we gonna do for our vlog?
Some everything.
At the end of the month. Oh no, why I keep saying the end of the month? Next week, I'm supposed to be going to Hot Springs, Arkansas, right?
Huh?
I think there is. It's Hot Springs.
I ain't thinking about it
I'm
too.
so like that. But I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna record on this channel. I know I'm gonna record for my personal channel, but I don't know. Get your ass.
fucking good.
Mom, get your damn nigga.
So my new name gonna taste better. Put some of your sweet tea in right there. There's it. I'm trying to stay it up first.
Ooh. Nasty. I should get them. I'm gonna shoot.
How that damn sugar?
They don't fine.
How that damn sugar? Too much sugar gonna get me, gonna have me diabetic and shit.
Okay. Okay, we could do another video. Well, what?
The Denver Nuggets won the NBA championship.
Okay, look, listen. So, after this, it's not raining
But what's that? Man, get this stupid stuff out of the TV. Chilling out of the TV.
Hey, girl.
I want to say this shit out loud. Like,
I'm gonna go to the though.
you said the house though.
Damn, huh?
The house though. That's where you get the sequel of it. I'm making sure cool in ass. I'm trying to see your faces.
I had this before.
That shit better than Chipotle weak ass.
What, the chips?
All around.
Fuck no, the chips way better. You know what Mosey is? It's another place like Chipotle.
I ain't trying to get high cholesterol.
Persian accent, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian.